JetBlue 1644, 8 for 3,000.
JetBlue 1644, near approach, roger.
Approach France 008, 6,500 down 4,000.
Air France 008, heavy near approach, roger. JetBlue 1274, reduce speed at 170.
170, 1274.
JetBlue 297, turn right heading 060.
060, JetBlue 297.
Hawaiian 1631, heavy, reduce speed at 210.
You're speaking now to 210.
JetBlue 1644, reduce speed at 210.
Loader 210, JetBlue 1644.
Air France 008, heavy, turn left heading 220, reduce speed at 210.
210 knots, heading 220 degrees, Air France 008.
JetBlue 1644, turn left heading 050.
050 heading, JetBlue 1644.
JetBlue 1644, expedite descent at 3000. Air France 008, heavy, cleared ILS runway 31 right approach.
ILS 31 right approach, Air France 001.
LL 007, heavy, reduce speed to 210, vector cross final for spacing. LL 007, heavy, vectors across final for spacing, reduce speed to 210.
Reducing 210, LL 007.
LL 007, heavy, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 mile northeast bound 3000, Airbus 320, your sequence. JetBlue 1644, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles southwest bound 4000, heavy, Boeing 780 setting on your sequence.
Okay, yeah, we see him straight ahead. Thanks, JetBlue 1644.
And LL 007, we're crossing the localizer now.
No, 007, heavy, vector cross final for spacing.
Copy, thanks.
JetBlue 2404, near approach, descend and maintain 2000, good rate down.
Descent 2000, good rate, JetBlue 2404. And JetBlue 1644, we'd like to turn away from underneath the heavy wake here. We need to turn out to the east.
Wait, say that again?
We'd like to turn out to the east. You're putting us right underneath the heavy, 1,000 feet underneath them. I don't know where you expect us to be flying, but we're going right underneath this guy.
Yeah, I'm looking at the radar. You got 1,000 feet. You want 2,000?
No, I just like maybe a 5-degree, we're nose to nose with this guy, and I'm assuming that there's going to be a wake turbulence encounter here in a few minutes if we don't make a turn away. You said they were vectoring him across, so I just didn't know how far we could expect to be going.
That was a lot. I can give you a number to call. We can talk about it after if you'd like. LL 7 heavy, flighting 270.
Heading 270, LL 7 heavy.
Triple 1644, speed 160, heading 360.
Speed 160, heading 360, JetBlue 1644.
LL 7 heavy, turn right 090.
090, LL 7 heavy.
Air France 8 heavy, Tower 19-1, cleared the approach.
19-1, Air France 08 heavy.
Hawaiian 1631 heavy, cleared ILS runway 31 right, speed 160.
Speed 160, clear for the ILS 31 right, Hawaiian 61.
Triple 1644, heading 330, intercept 31 right, localizer.
330 heading, intercept 31 right, localizer, JetBlue 1644.
LL 7 heavy, speed 180, then maintain 2000.
180, descend 2000, LL 7 heavy.
LL 7 heavy, rollout heading 070, flighting 070.
070, LL 007.
LL 7 heavy, menu altitude 3000.
3000, descending LL 07.
JetBlue 1644, descend to 2000 now.
I descended 2000, JetBlue 1644.
LL 7 heavy, descend to 2000.
Descend 2000, LL 7 heavy.
JetBlue 2404, traffic 2 o'clock at 4 at 3000. Hawaiian heavy Airbus for the right side. JetBlue 2404. Everybody just does what they want. JetBlue 1644, clear ILS 31 right, 160 knots.
160 knots, say again please for JetBlue 1644.
Cleared ILS runway 31 right.
Cleared ILS runway 31 right, JetBlue 1644.